What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Young Soldier 93 here, and I am underneath my car. So basically what I'm going to be doing today is putting on some threaded tape on these bolts. So I'm going to back these out individually, take them out one by one, and wrap some tape around it, seal it, make sure these bolts don't back out, because they love to back out on this car. On the transmission, it backed out, so I had to put those on there, and no more transmission leak. And so I'm gonna do the same thing on this oil pan. As you can see, there's a whole bunch of oil just leaking on this Swae, remember? And yeah, just gonna back these out one by one and see if that fixes it. Hopefully it does. Hopefully it's not the seal going, but we'll see. Alright, so that's what the thread will look like on the bolt, and do about 3 or 4 times. So I got all of these bolts tightened back up. It's an absolute mess down here. I think this oil pan was taken off by a previous owner, because I'm not sure if you can see up in there, but there's like a whole lot of gasket maker up there, and the gasket itself. So maybe the previous owner did do something with this before, but made sure I did a quick round, checked every bolt again. Everything is tightened, everything is nice and snug, not over torqued. So I guess the only thing that we have left to do is to test it out and let it run, see if there are any leaks. There's like a little leak back there, but that was from something else. But we're gonna test and see if there are any leaks, and what happens. I'm hoping for no leaks, but we'll see. I don't know. I'm not sure what a good camera angle would be. Little bit of smoke coming from the dog pipe, previous oil droplets. Alrighty, so I just got back from taking it around the block, and I'm just gonna check for potential drops. Hopefully there are none. There's that same spot right there, and I don't see any drops. So I guess we're good. Now, this isn't like a permanent fix. Well, this isn't a fix for all issues that may be going on with your oil pan or with any type of oil leaks. Supposedly mine is just from the bolts backing out of the block. So now I need to get a new line for my power steering because that seems to be leaking too. As you guys can see, there's a lot of moisture right there. So go ahead, I'm gonna go ahead and get a new line for it. Hopefully that'll solve that issue, and hopefully the oil issue with it leaking or whatever is all fixed, and I'll have no reason to go back under this car again. So that will be pretty nice. But hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will catch you guys in the next one.